Hey guys, today I'm making the elf. Oh, I wish I had an elf hat, but I don't. I'm making an elf, and it stands up on its own, and it has little elf shoes and a little elf hat. But I really like this. It's a really cute, small little model. So keep watching if you want to learn how to make this. For the elf, you have to start with a 1x2 piece of paper. So just cut fold a piece of paper in half into 2 rectangles and then cut along that crease that you make. It's most effective if you have a double-sided piece of paper that's a slightly different color on one side. And then, if you have 2, you can make one in one orientation where the one color is on the outside and the other one the other way, where the other color is on the outside. Alright, so let's get started. Fold it in half and unfold. You want to take the top corners and fold it to the bottom midpoint just like that. And you know, the top edge here will line up with the middle crease like that. Then unfold those, then fold the top, or fold the bottom to the top just and make an X over here. So you'll have 2 X's right next to each other. But don't unfold these, keep these folded. And take that paper and fold it, flip it over so you have a full 1 sheet of triangle. Now take this folded edge that you just made and fold that to the center, like that. And when you do that, the back flap will just come out like that, and just keep it like that. Don't fold it at all, just let it open up. So you just should be folding 1 layer of paper when you make that fold. On the other side it looks like this. So if you watch from this side, this is what it looks like. Alright. Then you want to flip it so that the midline is going horizontally. This is just for ease of folding it. So then you fold the top layer one side into the midpoint like that. Ta-da! And same thing on the other side. Now you want to take those folds and make a rabbit ear. So you fold both sides in all the way until they're touching, and then where those 2 folds meet, just draw a straight plumb line up to the top and fold this over. That's how you make a rabbit ear. And then do the same thing on the other side. This here is going to end up being the arm. Make another rabbit ear on this side, and that is the other arm. Yay! Just fold them up to get them out of the way. Then you flip it over, and this is the only weird part. So you fold the side corner in, so where this, behind it you'll see there's the widest point of the diamond. You take that widest point of the diamond and you again draw a plumb line down, and the way you make sure of that is you make the first line starting at the very top and then you fold it over like that and then unfold. Do the same thing on the other side. Find the widest part of the diamond and then make sure that the tip is touching this line here. Or then you take that edge on the bottom of that triangle and you fold it over to the crease that you just made. You just fold a little bit up. Completely arbitrary again. Just fold a little section up and then fold it down. and then that first fold that you made, just refold it. And I think it's kind of funny because at this point in the project that kind of looks like an elf. Doesn't it? Weird, right? Alright, now you want to fold it in half. You'll see both of the arms are pointing up, and then you'll see these are the feet, just to orient yourself. Then you take one of the feet and you fold it up until it reaches that midpoint where the arm flap is, that rabbit ear fold, and you fold it. And same thing on the other side. Fold it. That's how you form the elf shoes, like that. Now you want to form the head, so you can move the arms down now. You want to form the hat and the head, so you take the top point and you fold that down to the midpoint where the rabbit ear fold is, and fold it. And then you don't have to unfold it all the way. You can just kind of let it hang, and then you want to curve it. You want to curve it to make the hat. Like that. Now you take the head, and right exactly where the arms are, you just fold it. Fold it, and then where the other arm is, fold it the other way. Like that. And now you hold on to where the edge of the hat is and hold on to where the edge of the arms are, and you push. And then you can kind of put your finger in there to separate it. And that's going to be the elf's head. And now to form it, if you open up the legs a little bit, you'll see there's 5 layers. So you take the middle layer, which is that shortest one, and you flatten it out a little bit underneath where the hat is. And then you want to close it back up. This will make sure that the elf's head holds its shape. So you just want to make sure that you don't push it any farther than the top of the head, the bottom of the hat, and the bottom of the head / top of the arms. Like that. Alright. And then you just make sure the hat's still formed right. Okay, that's basically done. Now you just want to form the elf shoes. So reinforce those folds so you can make sure that the elf can stand up. Then just to make the elf shoes, you point it up and curl it. And then to form the hands, to make them just a little bit more welcoming, I guess, you can just kind of push them out like that. And that's the finished elf. So 1 sheet of origami paper should make 2 elves. They're just like, oh, little elves. Little elves. You know, elves are supposed to be little. So I hope you like this fold, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!